There was a cat trying to get a ball.
Noise is scaring it off.
Oh wow.
The bike will run it. The bike will make it run it. Oh wow.
Hopefully.
Closer to the ball.
Oh, he's on.
Come down, it's right on the ball.
Oh god. We've got a ball underneath there and the cat is after it.
Oh yes, it's moved so I can get the ball.
And it's a scratching cat.
Nah, it's actually right there. Okay, come over. It's moved a bit. Hopefully the car will scare it.
Yeah, it's moved.
It's gone.
Yeah, bye, pretty cat. Where's it gone?
Oh damn! I can't get the ball.
That's a cat.
What?
Yeah.
Can you come help me?
Yeah. You take the camera.
It's gone that way.
You take the camera.
It's rolling.
Oh god, you take the camera. Right.
Suppose I've got the easier job.
This beast. Right.